If you are looking to make over $3,000 per month publishing simple books on Amazon, then watch this video as I take a look at this niche that can easily be created in 1 to 2 hours or even less with the tools I'm going to show you in this video. So the niche straight away is bucket list journal. And as you can see, if we type it on Amazon search bar, we can see that we have 1,000 results only in this niche, which is amazing. So the first criteria is to get a niche that has 1,000 or less results. So this one is done. Then the second one is to find 3 books on the first page that have rankings less than 300,000. So this one is less than 300,000, and this one is also. This one is less 300,000. This one is less than 300,000 also, and those are not from KDP. And this one, for example, is also, as well as, for example, this one. So we have found many, more than 6 maybe, in the first page. So that means that there is a market for this niche. There is profit. This niche is profitable because we have good competition with high demand. And to be specific, this ranking 3,000, to see how big and how profitable is this niche. So for example, that one I think is the lowest here, 3,111. Here you can see that if we go to the BSR to sales calculator, we can see that it's making 952 sales per month. And it's shocking. It's absolutely amazing. And by the way, this calculator underestimates the sales. So normally you will get more actual sales than this calculator says. So maybe 1,000 or more, maybe up to 2,000 sales per month. So if we say 1,500 sales per month, and what is surprising is that these books are selling with high profit, so $9.99, which is profitable because normally we get prices between 6.99 and 7.99, but this one is 9.99, so it's making more than $3 profit per sale. So $3 and 1,500 sales, so that's absolutely shocking, up to 5,000, and maybe at lower and lowest time $3,000 with this book. So what make you motivated more and more is that you can create exactly like this book or similar to this book in less than 3 hours. Couple of hours and you're making a monthly second income, 1,000 or even $500, because these sales are amazing and incredible. So don't miss this opportunity. And if we look inside, for example, this one, the cover design is really unique because it's just black background and a text, "Shit we are gonna do together." So that's really simple but unique. So if we go and look inside, you can see that it's written here, our bucket list, and here a description of 100, I believe, 100 lines with a box at the end to take them if the experience have done. So by the way, if you don't know what bucket list mean, it means something like experiences or achievements that a person hopes to have or accomplish during their life. So the design is very basic. Then we come here to the experience. So here you decide what's the goal. You write the title of the experience you want to try, and here the reason why you want to do it, and what the tools you need to accomplish this, what you need to do to accomplish this goal. And here, when it's done, you can write when, where, and with whom have it's done, with some thoughts and memories. So very basic, and then it's duplicated and repeated all over the book. So 100 experiences. You can make this book on Canva, even on PowerPoint, on any tool that you prefer. So another book, this one really basic from the cover design. here interaction like for home, and here a quote, life begins outside your comfort zone, and here the same list from 1 to 100. So the same, and the same design, or let's say the same idea, the same reason, title, what you need, and when it's completed, when, where, and with whom. So very basic to create this interior completely for free if you want from any website, or you can outsource it if you prefer that. So you can create it here on Canva, or you can outsource it or buy it from graphic creative Fabrica, for example, or outsource it on Upwork. However, if you want to create it, look for example for this one. So the cover design will take you half an hour to create. You should be unique with your cover design, and then these pages will take maybe half an hour to create, because it's just numbers, boxes, and lines, and they are repeated all over again. And then here you can be fancy like this, or you can be simple like this one. So whatever style you prefer, just go for it, because this book is getting sales, and this book is getting sales as well. This book is for and a target people, and this one for another targeted audience and people. So whatever your style is, create it and upload it. So it's like the same basic ideas, the experience, the reason why you want to do it, and how you can make it happen. And then when it's done, you write down here the where, when, and with whom it was accomplished, and at the end some highlights or some thoughts or memories for this experience. So that's not hard to create. Is this hard to create? Hell no. And if you seem that, oh, it will take me time and I don't have time to create all of this, you can outsource it. Just go to Creative Fabrica, for example. If you have subscription, then you can take it, or you can buy individual interior. So for example, this one, look how the style look like. If you like it, take it, or you can maybe try this one, couples bucket list journal. This is how it looks from inside. And by the way, many of them provide you with editable version of the interior, so you can edit and modify it as you like with the style that you prefer, because you should be unique on your interior, not like everyone doing and you do the same exact thing. So it's barely easy to create and basic to create. So try your book with this niche, and hopefully you'll get sales, second income, or even crazy sales like these guys right here. So try it, and hope you all the best. And by the way, the two tools that I'm using to help me do this research very fast is firstly this AMZ suggestion expander, and here is DS quick Amazon view or something like that, so you can see the rankings very fast without need to click on the book. So that's for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.